basically diameter, if you are talking about a word diameter, diameter is just double of radius. So if I am drawing a small circle, and if anyone asks from you, just see, maybe my circle would not be correct maybe, but you should draw it by using bangle or something which is circular in shape. Okay, so please take something which is circular in shape, because we have to draw it from in 2-3 places. So I'll request you all to please either carry one water bottle cap, or just take any one of bangle, okay, or something like compass also if you want to take it. So this is called center. This is called radius. This is called radius. If anyone asks from me that what is diameter, diameter, the line segment which is joining 2 points of the center, okay, 2 points on the circumference, and remember it should pass through center. This is compulsory, okay. And if you talk about, this is also R, this is also R. So when you talk about basically diameter, diameter means when I'm writing it here, diameter means R plus R. This is R, this is R. Mila karke R plus R, which will give you 2R. 2R means 2 into radius. So if I know radius, I can multiply by, I can divide it by 2. I'll get it here, radius also. It means one thing you should always know, that if you are having diameter, you have to find it out radius. What you are doing it, you are just dividing it by 2. And if you are having radius, you have to find it out diameter, you will just multiply by 2. For example, if I will give you a simple normal question, that if any circle has diameter is equals to 14 meters, can you tell me what will be the radius of it? Please let me know.
7 meters.
It would be just half of it. If it is 14, it would be 7. Can you tell me, if I'll change it and I'll write it down 7. Now tell me what will be this?
But 3.5.
3.5. Either you write 7/2 or you write 3.5. Okay? Both are okay. Either you write 7/2 or you write 3.5. Both are okay. Okay? Now coming to the second case. Second case means if suppose you are knowing about radius. अगर आपको radius पता है. Radius is, suppose I am taking as 35 mm. Okay? Suppose you know the radius, and now you need to find it out diameter. Okay? You need to find it out diameter. What will be the diameter? Can you tell me? This place, what will be the diameter here? Use your concept and tell me what will be the diameter here.
27.
27. 27. Think of it. What will be there? Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, 17.5.
17 point.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
5.
please. It's
70
35 mm. It would be just double. It would be just double.
70 mm.
It will be 70. 35 2 जा कितना होता है? 70 बेटा. Yes, the answer would be 35 multiplied by 2. And 35 multiplied by 2 means 70 mm. ठीक है? So remember, this is the concept of what is diameter, what is radius. ठीक है? What is diameter, what is radius. Now moving ahead, that how we will take it out, perimeter, what is pi and all. Okay, let us discuss this part. Just give me some time. Yes. So I am rubbing this. Now let us discuss what is perimeter or circumference, will tell it. So just if you talk about, if I'm talking about circle, I should know that circle can be circle, circle can be, half of the circle can be semicircle and half of the semicircle can be quadrant. ठीक है? So we can study three types of circle in this case. First, which is a normal circle that you always know. Half of the circle, which is called semicircle, that is called half of the circle. Then half of the semicircle, which is called quadrant. That are three kind of parts of circle which you can study in this exercise basically. So if I am talking about the word circumference, circumference, circumference. This word is basically perimeter. ठीक है? जनरली ये एक पेरीमीटर का ही वर्ड है, ठीक है, बट रिमेंबर कि सर्कल के पास कोई बाउंड्री नहीं होती है. इट्स नॉट द बाउंड्री, इट्स द सर्कुलर लाइन विच इज देयर अराउंड दैट फिगर. So remember, that is why we don't call it perimeter, we generally call it circumference. And circumference का just meaning that is only there which you have already studied, length of boundary, है ना? So in the same kind of figure that is circle, the length of boundary of circle is known as circumference. ठीक है? We just in other language perimeter का एक अलग नाम बोल सकते हो आप circle में, we call it circumference. And the formula of it becomes 2 into pi into r. ठीक है? 2 into pi into r. Now remember, I have already told you, whenever you find it out the perimeter, you basically take the unit as normal meter, or you take normal centimeter, or you take normal millimeter, whatever the unit is given in the radius. ठीक है? It depends on the radius. But when you talk about area, you take square meter, square centimeter, square millimeter, है ना? So here we are talking about basically circumference. So circumference means perimeter. So perimeter की unit भी वही होगी, meter, centimeter और millimeter. Now when you are talking about 2 pi r, 2 means which is a normal 2, that is a number. You can call it constant. Pi, which is also a constant, which value is always fixed. So fixed means either you talk pi की जो basically value होती है, that is called 22/7. ठीक है? pi की just basic value होती है 22/7. But अगर आप इसको 22/7 नहीं रखना चाहते हैं, तो then you can have 3.14. Generally हम वो रखते हैं. इसके आगे हमने बताया था आपको उस दिन भी कि we have so many numbers. So we just take it 3.14 approx. ठीक है? इसके आगे बहुत सारे नंबर है, तो हम इसको आगे खूब सारा ना लेकर के we write it approx. Now this is exact value and this is approx value. So if always remember one thing, if you put 22/7, if you put 22/7 in any of the question and you are taking out either perimeter or you are taking out area, the answer will be more accurate. इस केस में जब भी आप पाई की ये वाली वैल्यू रखते हो, you get the exact answer. ठीक है? Exact answer means उसमें कहीं पर भी approx की उम्मीद नहीं होती है. But when you put value 3.14, you don't get the exact answer. You only get the approx value. Means आप आंसर के क्लोजर होते हो, आप आंसर के क्लोजर होते हो, बट आप एग्जैक्ट आंसर पे नहीं होते हो. ठीक है? रिमेंबर ऑलवेज. व्हाई? बिकॉज 3.14 के बाद यहाँ पर बहुत सारे नंबर अभी आगे हैं. तो जब आप उन नंबर को नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो, इट मीन्स समहाउ यू आर लीविंग दैट नंबर. तो वो नंबर का छोटा छोटा करके कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्यूशन तो आएगा ही. सो यू आर लीविंग दैट नंबर्स, यू आर लीविंग दैट सॉल्यूशन. So always remember, that is why if anyone asks you that which value of pi is more correct, remember 22/7 is more correct. This gives you always exact answer. But when you put 3.14, you will get the closer to the answer. You will be closer to the answer, but you will not get the accurate answer. So जब भी हम 3.14 की वैल्यू को पुट करते हैं, we basically write answer के साथ approx. ठीक है? Don't forget to write approx with the answer when you are putting the value 3.14. ठीक है? Now you must be thinking कि मैम दोनों की वैल्यू ये होती है, तो हम दोनों क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं जब हमारी ये वैल्यू एग्जैक्ट होती है. तो रिमेंबर कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं ना जिसमें पाई जो आपको रेडियस की वैल्यू दी रहती है वो बेसिकली कटती नहीं है 7 से। आपको ये याद रखना है कि आप कब 22/7 रखेंगे और कब 3.14 रखेंगे। नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू व्हेन यू विल पुट पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 एंड व्हेन यू पुट 3.14। जनरली अगर आप क्वेश्चन को गौर करो बेटा तो आपको पाई की वैल्यू लिख करके आती है कि आपको रखना क्या है। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में लिख करके आता है कि आपको पाई की वैल्यू रखनी क्या है, 22/7 रखनी है या 3.14 रखनी है। बट अगर क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिख करके आया, ठीक है, अगर क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिख करके आया कि आपको पाई की कौन सी वैल्यू रखनी है, तब हमेशा याद रखिए कि अगर आपकी रेडियस या डायमीटर, इफ योर रेडियस एंड डायमीटर 7 से कैंसिल होने वाला नंबर हो, लाइक 35, लाइक 14 या 7 या 70 या 35 या you can call it 49, if you have these kind of number 3.5, 35, so if you have these kind of number in radius or diameter, so remember you have to put 22/7 only. Are you getting what I have explained it to you? Yes or no, please reply in the chat. बता दिया। अब आती है बारी डिटेल्ड में एरिया कैसे कहते हैं। तो एरिया मीन्स सर्कमफेरेंस के थ्रू जो भी अंदर का जो सर्कुलर फेस होता है विच इज सराउंडेड, दिस इज द पोर्शन विच इज कॉल्ड एरिया। ठीक है, इन सर्कल दिस इज कॉल्ड एरिया। And when you are talking about area, the formula of area is pi into r square. ठीक है, it is not the pi square, this is r का square. ठीक है, pi into r का square. So here again the pi value comes 22/7. Again pi की वैल्यू आती है 22/7 और it can be 3.14. ठीक है, so 3.14 approx, so you are writing the answer in approx when you are putting the value 3.14, or if you are putting 22/7 then you write the accurate answer. So this pi area is equals to pi r square. This is area now, and the unit will be meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square. ठीक है, so remember when you are talking about unit, it should be either meter square, centimeter square. It should be either meter square, centimeter square or millimeter square. ठीक है, okay, tell me till here, have you got it? Have you understood till here? चलो, अब आती है बारी next thing की. Now let me know, first before I proceed with exercise, I just want to ask from you that if you have this circle, ठीक है, and I told you that I have to find it out perimeter or I can call it circumference. ठीक है, ये जो बार बार मैं आपको शेड कर रही हूँ, this is called circumference. This full circle is known as circumference. ठीक है, circumference. अब इसमें से क्या करूँ, इसका पूरा circumference हो गया 2 pi r. अब मैंने इस सर्कल को हटा दिया इतना हाफ. Can you tell me what will be the circumference now, or you can call it what will be the perimeter now? Just tell me what is the perimeter of this figure now, what I have just drawn.
1/2 into circumference.
Okay, just tell me after solving what will be there. After solving, tell me what will be there. 2 into 2 pi r. Alok, how it is 2 into 2 pi r? उसको तो मैंने हाफ कर दिया बेटा.
Sorry.
हाँ, just I did it half. I am not doing it double. I am moving it. I am doing it half. So you cannot tell me 2 into 2 pi r. It would be half of 2 pi r. So absolutely correct, Khyati. It would be 1/2 into 2 pi r. So when you will solve it,
2 pi r upon 2.
It would be only pi r. 2 से 2 you will get it cancelled and you will get it only pi r. कब? जब आपने यहाँ पर इस शेप को लिया है. लेकिन अगर ये शेप ऐसा नहीं आया, ये शेप आया ऐसा. ठीक है, now tell me what is the formula now? Generate the formula and tell me what is the perimeter of this figure now. Tell me faster. What is the perimeter now? Think of it. बेटा पाई आर स्क्वायर कहाँ से आ गया? यू टेल मी, पाई आर स्क्वायर कहाँ से आ गया? अभी पाई आर स्क्वायर एरिया की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे, एरिया की बात ही नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे. ओके बेटा लिसन, many students are replying ma'am pi 1/2 into 2 pi r, but बेटा आप ही खुद से बताओ, earlier it was only this, then you said pi r. I told yes, it is correct. Earlier I only told this line and you told me ma'am the answer would be pi r. I told you yes, it is correct. But अभी बेटा ये line भी तो include कर दी, then how it can be the answer same? How the answer could be same if I have included one more line in it?
Diameter.
Yes, who said diameter? Khyati, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely Khyati. I have added diameter in it. देखो यहाँ पे ये diameter है ना, this is radius और पूरा मिला करके this is called diameter. So it means I am including one more line into it. ठीक है, and that is called diameter. So if you are finding out circumference of this figure, earlier half of the portion was pi r, जो कि हमने solve किया था, half of the portion was pi r, then it is plus this diameter. So this is diameter. It means the formula for this figure of circumference would be pi r plus diameter. Remember, and if you talk about area of this figure only, area is not changed because area means this portion only. But जब हम boundary की बात करते हैं ना, because circumference means boundary, so this boundary we have taken out. This was pi r, but this is also the boundary only ना बेटा. This is also the boundary only. So this is pi r plus diameter. लेकिन जब हम area की बात करेंगे, so it will be half of area. That is 1/2 into pi r square. So this is the main concept regarding this exercise. What is area, what is perimeter, how to find it out, this thing. ठीक है, अब now let us try some questions related to this exercise. ठीक है, now you all will be also solving along with me. The questions are not so tough beta. The main thing is that you need to understand it. ठीक है, let me take one screenshot of this one and just give me a moment, let me take. Fine. Okay, so I am rubbing this one and let us come to the exercise. So abhi before I proceed with the exercise, I am just giving it to you some questions related to it. Find the circumference. First one, when radius is equals to 14 meter, and second question I am giving you is when diameter is equals to 28 mm, 28 centimeter. Chalo. Okay. Now, if you see on the board, there are two questions written. First question when radius is given. Second question when diameter is given. Okay. First question where I have given you radius, and second question where I have given you diameter. And you can see in both the cases, it is 14. This is 28. Can you tell me what value of pi can be put here? What value of pi can be put here in this case? Can you tell me?
22/7.
22/7. Accurate. Absolutely correct. Because here both the answer both the question which we are having, that is both are multiple of 7 only. So we can solve it. Now let us put the formula directly because we know the radius. Now the formula is 2 pi r. Okay? 2 will be 2. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius means 14. Okay, I just put the value. Now you know that it will cancel. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 88 meter. So the answer will also be in meter. So the answer will be 88 meter. Is it okay now? Is
Yes,
it okay
ma'am.
now? Tell me. 88
Yes, ma'am.
meter. ठीक है? Okay. अब एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Where diameter is given, but beta you know that the formula needs 2 pi r. So beta first you will do it the conversion of it. Conversion of it means first you convert into its radius. So diameter is 28. Then what will be radius? Think of it.
14
By 14.
14
By 14.
centimeter. Yes, just write it down directly. No need to put any formula. Just write it down directly that it would be 14 centimeter. Now, ये क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया? यही बन गया बिल्कुल, है ना? एकदम सेम वही क्वेश्चन आ गया. देखो 14 centimeter and this was in
Only
meter.
unit is same.
Yes. So circumference would be that only 88 only, and but the question was in meter in this case, but here is in centimeter. So the answer would be in centimeter. I hope it is clear. Oh my God. I hope
Ma'am,
it
my
is
answer
clear
is
now. ठीक है. Now what do you think? Should I give you one question? Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
One question. Okay, चलो. So let me take a screenshot of this one. And अरे यार ये बार-बार गिर जा रहा है. Okay. So just be ready with the 2 meter here. This is correct process. Now see this one. C is equals to again the same thing 2 pi r. 2 means 2, 22 by 7 means this. Our radius means 7 by 2. 2 will be cancelled by 2. 7 will be cancelled by 7. We have 22 millimeter as answer. I hope, is it understood? Yes or no? Please reply. Okay. If got it, how to solve it? Should we move further, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we move further? What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
chalo. Let's move ahead. Now let me teach you how to find it out area. Okay, let me teach you how to find it out area. Then we will apply these applications on the questions. Okay. Now find the area. Of the same thing, radius would be given only. So let me give you a question where radius is 7 meters. Okay. Just taking a normal question that to know how to do the process. So the question is radius is equals to 7 meters. Now let us put the formula, area formula. But beta remember, हमेशा याद रखिए the confusion comes what is the formula of area of parallelogram, what is the area of triangle. इसमें बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं. वैसे सेम चीज सर्कल में कंफ्यूज होते हैं. सर्कल में सबसे ज्यादा मोस्ट ऑफ द बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं. एरिया का फॉर्मूला पेरीमीटर में लगाते हैं, मतलब सर्कमफेरेंस में, एंड सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं एरिया में. ठीक है, बट आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि एरिया मींस स्क्वायर यूनिट. Area means square unit, and when you have the formula pi r square, remember square. Area means square unit, pi r square. इस तरीके से अपने दिमाग को मोल्ड करके रखिए कि कभी भी आप don't put the wrong formula into the question. ठीक है? So the formula is pi r square. Now how to do this? Is equal to pi की value will be 22 by 7. Why? Because this is 7. So 22 upon 7 into, because pi r square, this is ultimately it is multiplied. So pi up will be 22 by 7. Here it is multiplied. Now this is r square. R square means 7 square. रख दिया. अब now when you have 7 square, no need to cancel like this. कभी भी ये गलती नहीं करना. Never do this kind of mistake. Why? Because it is written in the form of square. जब तक square solve नहीं होगा, you cannot cut it. Getting my point? जब तक you will not find it out square,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
cannot cut that. है ना? So what we will do first, we will solve this number. So it would be 22 by 7 into 7 square को ऐसे कर दो. No need to multiply. Just open it. 7 into 7. When you will open it, this is cancelled. Now it will give you 4. This will give you 15. 154 meter square. This would be the answer for this question. Tell me, is it understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any confusion to anyone? चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. सपोज एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. दूसरे क्वेश्चन में सपोज डायमीटर दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन वेयर डायमीटर इज गिवन. डायमीटर इज 49 mm. ठीक है. डायमीटर इज 49 mm. नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट फर्स्ट इट्स रेडियस टू पुट द फॉर्मूला. So radius means it would be 49 upon 2. Don't solve it, beta. Don't convert in decimal because solving fraction is more easier than a decimal. ठीक है. Solving fraction would be more easier than a fraction. No need to convert in decimal. Always remember, this is my suggestion to you. ठीक है. So it's 49 upon 2 in millimeter. Now let's put the formula of area would be pi r square. Now pi means 22 by 7. We have put the value into r square. What is r here? 49 upon 2. And this is square. So we will use the bracket and we will put the square of it. Okay, 49 upon 2 ka square. Now when you will solve this step, you know that you have to just open the bracket. 22 by 7, let it be here. 49 into 49 upon 2 upon 2. Okay, because it is a square, so it will be broken up into two forms. So we have written this. Now let us solve it. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. Now 2 ones are 2, यहाँ पर आ गया 11. ठीक है. Now solve it. यहाँ पे बचा केवल 77. This is 77 only. Multiply by 49 ऊपर पे और upon में 2. ठीक है. Now just multiply it together, 77 with 49. Whatever answer you will get it, let me tell you what answer you will get it in 77 multiplied by this. 77 multiplied by 49, you will get it 3773. 3773 upon me 2. Now you need to just convert in decimal. How will you do that? 2 ones are 2. यहाँ पर आया 2 8s are 16. ठीक है. Then again will be left 2 8s are 16 again. 2 6s are 12 and 2 5s are 10. 1886.5 and answer would be in millimeter square. Answer would be in millimeter square. ठीक है. This is the complete process of solving this. Now let me know by using your chat box that whether you have understood or not. If understood, right, yes. If centimeter, this is from your NCERT only. Please solve it faster. And then next topic we will discuss on Monday. Monday we will try to do at least half of this exercise because concept to पहले से दे दिया है ना. So half of the exercise we'll try to do that on that day. Chalo, do it faster. Radius is 5 centimeter. What do you think the answer could be? Do it faster. This one, it will give you 7 sevens are 49. ठीक है. And this will be this. Now 7 8s are 56. बचेगा 4, आएगा डेसिमल, इट विल गिव यू 40, 7 5 35, ठीक है, 35 मीन्स बचेगा 5, उसके बाद आ जाएगा 0, तो 7 7